Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhameja and today I would be your examiner for this part of the test, and it is a video conferencing test. This test will be recorded. What is your
Okay.
full name?
My full name is Samira Samir Beg.
May I see your identification, please?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you, Samira.
Thank you.
Where do you come from?
I come from Vellore, which is in the state of Tamil Nadu, in the southern part of India. It has a million of population, which is also famous for ancient history Vellore Fort, and the weather is pleasant, and we
Okay.
have good hospitalization.
Okay. Do you like your town?
Yeah, I love my town because I get peace and harmony in my town, and it is also have a basic facility surrounded by hospitalization, school, and working areas.
Can you define your town a little?
My town is famous for Vellore Asian Fort, and it has a golden temple from where many part of country people visit it. And also, my town is famous for farming and agriculture.
Okay. Few questions will be based on traveling. Do you want to travel in outer space?
Actually, I'm a traveler enthusiastic. I love to explore new places and travel like a crazy person.
Okay. What would you do if you had this opportunity? What would you do if you'll be given this opportunity?
If I'm given a traveling opportunity, I could explore different types of places with where I can spend happily and enjoy the moment I live.
Okay. When was the last time you went traveling?
It was on the past month, September. I went to Chikmagalur, which is in the part of Karnataka, and it is also a famous hill station where many tourists visit for a chill climate.
Okay. Few questions will be based on dream job. What was the dream job for you when you were young?
When I was young, my dream was to be teacher and to teach students with different kind of creative ways so they can understand easily.
Okay. Have you changed your mind on your dream job?
Yeah, I had changed my mind on dream job because when we get maturity, we will thinking of getting a job based on good lucrative amount of money and a good profession. So I changed my job teacher to a good cardiovascular perfusion technology.
Mm-hmm. Are you doing any job currently?
Yes, I'm doing a job in Narayani Hospital as an cardiovascular perfusionist since 1 year.
What are your job responsibilities there?
My job responsibility is take care of the patient data and take the full control of heart lung machine while willing open heart surgery and to maintain patient heart and lung in our mission.
Okay. Few questions will be based on mobile app. Which mobile app do you use?
I'm like an obsessed with Instagram and WhatsApp because it makes me happy. I'll spend my leisure time well.
Okay. Which one do you want to use?
I want to use Instagram most because I can get more feed based on social activities and also improving my vocabularies.
Okay. Which ones are popular in your country?
In my country, the most popular apps are WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. And mostly people use IMO video calls to contact their sons or friends who are far away.
Okay, Samira, this is end of the part 1. And now it is time to ask a cue card, and cue card is displayed on the screen. And you'll be given 1
Okay.
minute to prepare your answer. Okay, Samira, your time starts now. You can
Okay.
start speaking.
Okay. In this contemporary epoch, most of the people want to do their own job because they think they can earn hefty amount of money. Here, I would like to talk about a businessman I admire the most. He is a well-known person to me. His name is Jafar Beg, who is my uncle, and also he is a down-to-earth person and independent thinker. He owns a retail shop with large amount of groceries, goods, so we can purchase everything in the same area we reside. At first, it was a small bunk shop which had only small quantity of groceries. But due to his hard work, it changed into a superstore in 6 years. He is a kind of person always think 50% of something is better than 100% of nothing. At first, he faced so many losses in his job, but he put a brave front and invest every amount of money in his business, which he gained a large amount of money in future. He is a dedicated person to his work, and also he gained reputation very profoundly in our place. He is not only the businessman I admire, he is also a role model, inspirational person to me, whom I share everything and gain advice from him in every step I do. I also follow his footprint to become a good successor. In our area, he is a renowned, prominent businessman in his field. So I can proudly say that he is a businessman I adore the most in my life.
Thank you, Samira. Okay, this is the
Okay.
time to ask follow up questions.
Okay.
Okay, according to you, what is the retirement age for men and women?
I think the retirement age should be based on their health and fitness. The best retirement age for men is 60 to 70 because they will be fit till 60 according to some research. And the best retirement age for women is from 55 because there will be some health related issues to them after 55 age.
Mm-hmm.
So I think 55 to 70 should be best retirement age.
Okay, what qualities do people need to run their own business?
I think people should have good hard work with smart work along with financial management.
Mm-hmm.
If they have a good decision making skill, they can proceed in their own business. Likewise, if they are setting up a new business, they should think where we should set it, and if there is a crowded place, people can purchase these things. So they should be in conscious mind.
Okay, what do you think? What do you think? What are the key factors that contribute to the success of a business?
From my perspective, I could say the key factor is first good communication skill
Mm-hmm.
and good decision making.
Okay.
If have a good communication skill, we can do a good business with other person and good deals. If
Okay.
we have a good decision making skill, as I aforementioned, we can proceed our business in every area with a successful rate of point.
Besides these factors, there are some other factors too.
Yes, I think most of the people think just doing hard work is enough, but we should be keen on our business. We should improve it step by step according to the generation or according to the people opinions.
Do you really think that money is quite important in order to run a business successfully?
I think money is part of running a business, but also we should have a if you have a good skill to run a business, money is not a point to
Why do you think
run
so?
it.
Why do you think so?
Because if we have a good mind, knowledge, we can start from basic like selling chocolates, milk, the limited amount of money, which will be developed into a big business or industry.
Mhm. How a businessman can develop his or her business?
I think the businessman can develop his or her business on based on the questionnaire received by consumers, what the consumer needs, their objectives. So it can be improved very easily.
How a business can be improved or developed?
In my opinion, I could say the business can be developed if we have so many branch in particular areas. So we can gain a large amount of support from people, and so it will be a huge gain in increasing our product resources.
Okay. If you had the opportunity to open your own business, what it would be?
To be frank, I am not that much in management skill of business, but if I had an opportunity, I could start a business of hotel because from my perspective, I think it gains a more amount of customers and it is a huge developing business
Why you want to go into that business?
because I think only aim to develop a business is a good idea we have to keep. And hotel is the best thing I can develop it into in our area because therefore there are most of the people are going to work or in a hustle bustle life. They want to grab a meal at a 5 minutes, so they prefer to go to hotel.
Okay.
So it's a benefit for hotel person.
Okay, do you think it is really essential to have a degree if a person wants to run a business successfully?
I can say two categories. First, to run a business, we have to have a degree because some of the business like pharmacist or hotel require degree for like BSc pharmacy or hotel management. Like another thing like retail shop, superstores doesn't need degree to run it. That's we need a smart work and knowledge.
What do you mean by smart work?
Smart work means rather than doing hard work, like we should be keen in improving our business with good developing technologies and upgrading advanced products into our business.
Thank you, Samira. This is end of the test. Thank you
Thank
so
you, ma'am.
much.